Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. This is Ashwati. Today's Onam special video is two different hairstyles with jasmine flower. This hairstyle is gonna suit for short hair as well as medium length hair as well. Not just that, this hairstyle not only suits for saris but also for salwars, anarkali, Indo-Western look, so which is really good. So first of all, I'll be combing my hair really well so that there is no tangles at all. After that, I'll be taking middle partition, but then if you want, you can definitely take side partition as well, so it's all up to you guys. And then after that, I'll be taking a chunk of hair from front section just like so, and then I'll be twisting it really well, guys. I'll be twisting it really well, and then we are going to secure it with a bobby pin or tic tac pin, whichever you like, just behind ear, just like so. So after that, I'll be repeating the same for the other section of hair as well. Just take a small section of hair and then twist it really well, and then secure it using a bobby pin. So our basic hairstyle is ready. It's done. Very easy. Just 2 minutes. That's it. Now let's work with jasmine flower. So I'll be cutting out a very small piece of jasmine flower, and then I'll be securing it with the bobby pin, just in a U shape, just like so. If you have short hair, this would be more than enough. This would look so pretty, I would say. But then if you have medium length hair, you can definitely go ahead and put 2 more layers of jasmine flower just below one another, just like so, in this U shape. So basically secure one end of jasmine flower with a bobby pin, and then just put it in a U shape like so, one below the other, and secure the other end using a bobby pin. So it's basically very simple. And then if you have long hair, you can definitely go ahead and put one more layer. In total it would be 4 layers of jasmine flower. So it's all up to you guys, as per your preference, as per your hair length. You can definitely change it. So this is how it is. Again, very simple, but then it looks really beautiful. This goes really well with sari, and as I said, with salwars, kurtis or lehengas. So I feel this hairstyle is really cute. So this is how it would look, final look. So from front you don't see much of jasmine flower, but then from side as well as from back we see a lot of jasmine flower. And that's it, our first hairstyle is ready. And now let's move on to second hairstyle, and this would be the best for people who have got layered haircut. So basically you just leave like two small section of hair from front section, and then I'll be doing a very normal 3-strand braid. And then when I reach at the end, I'll be just securing it with a hairband, and then just you can pull the braids just like so that it gives a voluminous look just randomly. That's it. And then I'll be taking a very small section of hair from front section, and then I'll be not pulling it very tightly. I'll be just leaving it very loosely and securing it with the bobby pin. So in that way it gives a really messy and I mean it looks a little bit of it gives a little bit of volume as well. So that's the reason I'm not pulling it very tightly. And that's it, our hairstyle is ready. Now let's work with jasmine flower. So what I'm going to do is I'll be just folding jasmine flower just like so, and then I'll be putting it behind my hair, and then I'll be securing one end of that jasmine flower to the opposite side with this bobby pin, and I'll be taking other side of jasmine flower to opposite side just like so, and then I'll be securing it with bobby pin. And make sure that you put in as many bobby pins as you want, so that it is secure enough, so that it doesn't falls down. So this is how the final look is. And at the end you can just curl your hair with the help of your fingers itself. If you want, you can definitely use a curler as well. That's up to you guys. So this is how the final look is. I really hope you guys have loved both of these hairstyles. If so, please do let me know in the comment section down below. If you have liked this video, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all. Mwah. Bye.